So before we create any service in the Kubernetes, guys, we should know a thing called Azure CLI commands, guys. So first, what you all need to do? First thing, guys, type download Azure CLI. Guys, first, what you all need to do? Download this Azure CLI command line interface, guys. You need to download whatever version you can. So let me copy this, share it. Yeah. Okay. Guys, you download and install. Once it is done, what we all need to do, guys? First of all, what is Azure CLI? You can see here, guys, Azure command line interface, Azure CLI, is a cross-platform command line tool to connect Azure and execute administrative commands and other resources. It allows the execution of commands through a terminal using interactive command line prompt transcript. Very simple, guys. Till now, guys, if you want, if we want to create any service in the cloud, how we have done it? You have opened this particular portal and you created whatever service you want to create by using graphical user interface, this UGI. But we can create any service in the cloud without actually opening this UI. We can create that by executing some commands, guys. For example, if you look at here, guys, you will be having a documentation, guys. I'll just give this particular URL. From this URL, you can create any service in the cloud by writing a simple CLI command, guys. If you look at here, I want to create Azure resource group, guys. You can see, to create a resource group in any region, generally, we go here with general, guys. What should be the normal procedure? You go here, you click resource group, you enter some name, select region, click review create, then a resource group will be created. Now, we can do the same thing by simply writing a single line, guys. If you look at here, this line. What will this do? Can anyone read and tell me what will this do?
Region and the resource group name.
Yeah, this is name, guys.
But, yeah, where to mention the tags?
Where to mention the?
Tags.
What tags? This one, this one.
Yeah, okay. It is,
Yeah.
okay, then, okay. As an example, they are not shown. Okay.
Yeah. If you look at here, let me copy this. This is the command now. And here, guys, where should I execute this command? I know this is the command. To create a resource group, where should I execute this? And guys, to execute this command, there are 3 ways we can do. We can create any CLI command. We can execute any CLI command in 3 different ways, guys. The first way, just open your command prompt. Here, what we all need to do, guys, after you install Azure CLI in your laptop, you just type 𝐂𝐮 account show. When you type this, if your CMD is connected to any Azure cloud, this particular thing will be shown, guys. Now, what you all need to do, you just type 𝐂𝐮 logout. Now, guys, type 𝐂𝐮 account show. You can see, guys, what it is. You guys, when you first type 𝐂𝐮 account show, you will get this message. What it is telling us, please run 𝐂𝐮 login to set up your account in your laptop. So what should I do? I simply type 𝐂𝐮 login. Now, what will this do? It will redirect us to our cloud where you have to give your username and password. When you are validated, when your details are validated, you can see login successful. And guys, now my cloud is connected to my command prompt. Did you get this point? What have I just done?
Yes.
What have I just done, guys?
You have connected the Azure portal, through command line.
Yeah.
The command 𝐂𝐮 login.
Yeah. If you look at here, now when I type 𝐂𝐮 account show, you can see I'm able to see my cloud details. What is the cloud tenant ID and everything, subscription and everything. So this is my cloud to which I have connected. Now, guys, here just execute that command, copy that command. When you type 𝐂𝐮 group create -l rest, when you type this, what will happen? A resource group with this name in this region will be created. You can see it has created that. So generally, where is that, guys? Can I find a new resource group name here? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Can you see my resource group has been created in West US region? but I haven't created this by executing this UI command, correct? I did not create this by creating this button, correct or not? Guys, correct or not? Yes. And guys, what is this tag? Any idea about this tag? Very simple, guys. For any service, you can find tags. Tag is nothing but for which environment you are creating these guys. To only specify that, we will be creating the tags. If you look at here, guys, okay, I just told you, we executed this command called that whatever command which is there inside your command prompt, and we are able to create that in my cloud. This is only one way, guys. This is the way number one. And there is another way also. What is that other way? If you look at here, you can see this is my cloud shell. You simply click here. What you have to do, select PowerShell, guys. And what will it do? It will create a storage account, because, guys, you're trying to execute some commands on your cloud. So we should have a storage account where you can actually create or store these particular intermediate commands, guys. So by default, whenever you click this cloud shell, it will ask you to, two things will be there, guys, Bash and PowerShell. If you are executing Linux commands, Linux related thing, you can select Bash. If Windows, you can select this PowerShell. If you look at here, guys, what I have just done, I have actually connecting to, can you see? I have connected to my cloud shell, guys. You can see this is my command prompt. Here also we can execute this. Here also, whatever command you want. Copy this. And if you look at here, now I am creating my resource group called my resource group 1 in the same cloud, but by using this particular PowerShell script. If you come back here, if you click here, refresh this. Yeah, you can see my resource group 1 in the same region has been created. So, guys, this is why we are learning all these things. The reason, guys, to create this Kubernetes cluster, one way, guys, you can use this particular Kubernetes service and you can create a cluster here. This is way one. But we will use this way very less, guys. We always depend upon Azure CLI commands to create them in real time. So, guys, I'll show both of the things. So first today, I want to show how to create this cluster and anything else. Anything we can create by you executing the CLI commands. So I want to show how it will be done. Now, guys, what? That is the reason we are learning the CLI commands. Now, yeah, you have seen two ways. I'll show the third way, guys. There is a third way as well. Just before that, guys, just a minute. Let me delete a storage. Okay, give me a minute. Has been created. Okay. Now, guys,
while creating, you are not selected for the storage. There were two options.
I did not select storage.
No.
So no storage account I have selected that.
Yes, no storage account was created.
Okay, you have to select storage account, guys, because later we can use those commands. So I just selected no storage account. Do you remember that?
Confirm? Yes.
Okay. Now come back here, guys. Now I'll show the third way. Third way is a pipeline way, guys. What happens in real time? Guys, we will be creating a lot of services, guys, by using these commands. And what they can do, actually, they can create a repo, and in that repo, they can store the storage account, the CLI commands. Or what they can do, they can directly create. Let me show that. Yes, are you able to understand, or I'm going too fast? Are you able to understand, Manish, Rahul, Basha?
Yeah, understand, but like whatever you're showing is understood, but like what is the actual real use of Kubernetes and how?
Yeah, that you will understand. Yeah, you will understand in a few minutes. So till now, what I'm teaching, that you are able to get it.
Yes.
Correct? Yeah. Just wait, you'll understand that. If you look at here. Where is that? No worries. Let me create a new one. Yes, here. If you look at here, guys, I'm not selecting any artifact. CD, na? So where is that? Okay, directly I'm creating Azure CLI CD. And here select, guys, Azure CLI. Directly select this, add it, no build pipeline, direct release pipeline. The reason, PowerShell. Select inline script and type the script here. That is it. Don't do anything else. Now, what will this do, guys, when you save it? Directly, whatever command you mentioned here, it will directly get executed on your cloud, guys. There is, okay, why we use build pipeline, guys? Can anyone tell me why we use build pipeline?
Build pipeline or release pipeline?
Build pipeline.
But this is the release pipeline, right?
Question, answer my question. Why we use build pipeline?
Okay, for the to make the artifact.
To create the artifact, which later used by the release pipeline, correct?
Correct, yeah.
So for any release pipeline, we need to have some source which can be deployed to the cloud, correct?
Correct.
In this case, I don't need any artifact. Here, what is the source which I want to take to the cloud?
Inline script, yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Directly release.
Yeah, this is actually making use of service connection, right? Over the service connection.
Yeah. Over the service connection, the command will directly get executed on the cloud.
Yeah.
You can see it has been deployed. It's being deployed. Once it is deployed, guys, we always use, guys, VS Code. Actually, we don't use these many methods. We never create pipelines, or we will never create this Azure Cloud Shell also, because it's a costly resource. Need to create a story account later. So we won't do all these things. We don't use CMD as well. You don't use the CMD as well. Yes. You always, the programmers we always use this terminal. You will connect to your cloud and you will start creating your commands on this terminal. So as generally we use this VS Code, we will be storing all our commands here and we'll start executing them. So you will see yes. So
from VS Code also we can create a resource in Azure.
Yeah, from VS Code also we can create resource.
Can you please show that also? Like
just a minute. Yeah, that will be shown with ARM template, guys. Again, I need to go back to the other thing. So just wait.
Okay.
After 2 days, there is a concept called ARM template. Then you will understand completely. Okay, that topic covered there. Okay.
Okay.
If you look at here, guys, yeah, we created all this one by using command prompt, this one by using Cloud Shell, this one by using pipeline. So, guys, there are different ways of executing these Azure CLI commands. And we have only created this resource group by guys, but we can create app service, a virtual machine, a cluster, a container registry. We can create anything by using Azure CLI commands. Now, let us create other services by running these Azure CLI commands. Okay, how will you do that? Very easy. If you look at here, yeah. If you look at here, yeah, forget about all the other commands, guys. Just forget about it now. If you only look at this, can you please tell me what will this do? What will that do, guys? What will this do? Is it a CLI command?
Yes.
What will it do?
It will create a resource book
with the name
learning Kuber, this thing, Kuber Python. InvestOS.
InvestOS. Can you please tell me what will this do? Just read it out and you will know. Try to guess. Guess what could be ACR? Means your resource group, we know that. Here we are creating resource group. Here, what are we trying to create?
Container registry.
Perfect. Azure Container Registry. Can you see Python registry? By looking at this, you should have told, correct? We are trying to create Azure Container Registry, but where are we trying to create?
Inside that resource group which we created and school equal to basic.
What is the name of that registry?
Learning Kuber Python 7.
No, this name of
this is the name. Yeah. Python registry 199997.
Yeah, this is resource group name. This is the registry name. What is this basic?
Scoop size.
Yeah, pricing plan.
Yeah,
size and price. If you look at here, I am trying to create a basic container registry in my cloud by simply executing this one line. But generally, guys, to create a container registry, there are steps now. You have to go there, select. General, it will take 5 minutes, correct? At least 3 minutes, correct? But here, with only one statement, within few seconds, you have created an entire container registry. I'll get my point. Yes, I get my point.
Yes.
If you look at here, I created this. Actually, guys, to create it, you have to type that, select it. You have to do multiple things now. Select here, give a name, select a region, select a pricing plan. So this will take at least 3 minutes, correct? Correct or not, guys? You get my point, guys.
Yes.
But now this entire thing has been created within 1 second. Actually, it will only take 2 seconds to create the entire container registry, correct? Guys, correct or not? Though it doesn't contain anything, no repo, nothing. It's very simple thing. We just created an empty container registry by executing this container, this particular CLI command.
Welcome to LWPLABS. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes. And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!